20366 to hard drive not detected. We can figure this out, guys. Here is where the hard drive connects. Let's open up the schematic and board view. Now let's find this component on the logic board. Here it is. Let's test the resistance of this inductor. It should read 0 ohms. That's way too high. Let's replace this inductor. Time for Kish to test. It's a success, guys. Thanks for watching.